Hey guys, I am in the parking lot outside of the Bradshaw Performing Arts Center on the Sandhills Community College campus. And we are going to talk about willow oak, which is Quercus phellos, Phellos. The leaf arrangement is alternate, the leaf form is simple, and then the leaf margin is entire. But I'm going to go ahead and point it out for the other leaf details. I don't know if we can zoom in enough to see. Well, somewhere in there, there is a terminal spine at the very tip of the leaf. So it's entire with the exception of that terminal spine. But you can easily see that alternate leaf arrangement. Okay? Very long, narrow, almost lanceolate leaf. The plant type is a tree. The habit is broadleaf and deciduous. The height is large. This is going to be an extra large specimen at some point in time. When we look at the form, in youth, they are often pyramidal. And you can kind of loosely see that with this, because I would consider this a young specimen. There's another in that island that's a little more irregular. I think these are suffering from the heat of the asphalt in here, but this seems to be the best one. And then they get oval in maturity, so they'll have a central trunk and an oval head on top. These plants are highly adaptable to a wide variety of soils. There was nothing notable about their moisture preferences or their pruning information. The growth rate is considered average. The exposure to light is sun. Climactic hardiness zones 5 to 9. Landscape uses specimen, specimen shade tree, or street tree. And that's kind of the use that we're seeing here. It's in a parking lot median, but still same principle. Flowers are considered insignificant. The fruit is profuse. It is an acorn. It's brown, 1/2 of an inch, not edible. Autumn color with this oak is insignificant. Leaf texture is medium to fine. And like I said, other leaf details, there's a single bristle or spine on the terminal point of the leaf. No notable bark characteristics. No notable cultivars, no significant pests or diseases. It is an NC native. It is a U.S. native, not invasive. I found no reference to salt tolerance. For other information, the foliage is yellow-green when it first emerges in spring. But today is July 5th. The foliage is still pretty yellow-green when you compare it to some of the other foliage around. Best transplanted when dormant. And that goes for a lot of your plants that we discuss. And that's something we don't always harp on, but fall and winter is an ideal time for planting a lot of the plants we discuss. The references are Durr page 936, and as I said, we're in the BPAC parking lot.